Do you suspect writing might be holding you back? If so, you're not alone. 2 out of 5 people active in the workforce are poor writers. Poor writing affects income and ego. But there is something you can do about it. Sit tight. I'll tell you more.
When I entered the world of business, I thought I was a decent writer, but business writing was a whole different animal. I had an English degree, but college hadn't taught me how to write for real-world business. It caused me a lot of heartache as I struggled to write documents of all sorts, reply letters, recommendations, explanation letters, always seeking the nod of approval from my manager for a job well done. But more often than not, things I had written came back marked up like a 5th grade essay. When I look back now, it cost me in getting timely promotions and earning more money. I sat idly by as colleagues moved into positions of more responsibility, becoming supervisors as I languished on the first tier. I used to struggle to finish documents on time, even a simple reply letter. And writing more complex recommendations was right up there with getting a root canal. And I wasn't alone. I saw others struggling as well. What changed for me? I'll tell you exactly what I did to turn the situation around and how you can too if you're struggling with written business communications. Join me in my workshop and I'll tell you what you can do if you suspect business writing might be holding you back. There are so many people active in the workforce who struggle to write business documents, but you can change the situation. You can earn the respect of colleagues and perhaps improve your job, income, or employment prospects, and it's not hard to do. Instead of wasting time on simple tasks, you'll breeze through them quickly and confidently. Instead of dreading a performance review, you'll bask in the accolades. Instead of wondering if writing is holding you back, you'll know writing is a strong asset. Join me, but only if you suspect writing is holding you back. In the workshop, I'll tell you why that might be and what you can do if, like me, you struggle with business writing.